I'm Dr. Marina Pizarro. We are at Pizarro Med-Spa. Today we're doing an FUE case. It means follicular unit excision. We have decided this technique today because the patient hairstyle. He wears his hair short. He's African American, male, and he wants to have the option. For the FUE method, we have the option of robotic versus a manual, but we have chosen manual because this is the best choice for curly hair. The advantage versus the disadvantage, this has no pain the next day. The disadvantage is we have to cut the hair very, very short, shave short to 1 millimeter in order to excise and extract the hairs. The patient will have no pain the next day. We usually see the patient within 48 hours for follow-up shampoo and post-operative care. Then he can resume his normal activities tomorrow. Basically, he'll have no pain. We're going to do a beard hair transplant today, so he'll have some swelling. So for that reason, he may abstain from going to work the next few days. Follicular unit excision method allows you to cut your hair very short because the incisions are made so tiny that the scars are almost not visible to the eye. There are scars, but they're very, very tiny, versus in the FUT procedure, follicular unit transplant procedure, you have a linear scar. For that reason, a lot of people today don't choose to have the strip method versus the FUE method. Anybody that has donor hair would be a candidate for this procedure. More likely is going to be a man because of the shaping of the donor side, which is the back of your head. And in a woman with long hair, it will take a while for the months for the hair to regrow long again, for the length, to acquire that length. And usually it's most popular in men with short hair. Men with longer hair may not choose this method because they don't want to shave the hair on the back of the head. This procedure will take between 4 to 8 hours, more likely. It will depend on how much hair we're going to excise and extract from the back and how much hair we're going to place in the desired area. So if it's a very small procedure, it will take 4 hours. If it's a longer procedure, it could take 8 hours.
Hello, I'm Jazz Burns, and I am at Pizarro's Hair Restoration in Orlando, Florida. I was in for hair restoration for my beard. I kind of had some patches in some places, and I just wanted to get rid of that so I have more of a fuller look. When I immediately spoke to Dr. Pizarro, I gravitated towards her attitude and character, and she explained to me, like, look, I don't like to do the virtual. Let me talk to you, let me get to know you, and we'll see what we can do. I'm sure she can work something out, and I like that approach, and so that's why I came with her. The consultation was good. Immediately when I came in, it was with open arms. Felt like a family atmosphere. Everybody was nice and kind and said, oh, you invited me and said, we can take care of these problems for you. So I was like, I think this is where I want to go. I felt the most comfortable when I came in this office versus other office visits I have been to. Today was my surgery day, and I'll be honest, it was it was long, but there's procedures and stuff that has to be taken care of. And if you do come and decide to do this procedure, I encourage you to, make time out your whole day to, get the procedure done. I would recommend prepare yourself to be sitting in a long position for a long period of time, especially for the extraction of the hair follicles, and vice versa with the insertion of the hair follicles. I think that will prepare you mentally to sit through it. I would definitely do it again. I'm going to come back to repeat another process for my upper hairline. I would definitely recommend Pizarro Hair Restoration to my friends. She has a real family-oriented office setting, and I just think it's definitely something that most people will appreciate when they want to take this next step in their life.
You can look on our website, www.drpizarro.com, drpizarro.com. We have 3 financial options, and you can click on them and apply right there and then.